Okay, super quick tip today. I'm going to show you how to make an absolutely banging techno kick and bass in Ableton Live 11. And this is how we do it. So let's look at the constituent parts. I've got the kick drum with the drum bus plugin. I've got the bass, which is audio fed from that kick. And then I've grouped them together and I've got a limiter. I'm using the Pro L2 for this, just to make it extra massive. So let's break it down. First, this is the kick on its own. Let's turn off the limiter as well. So that's what we're starting with. So it's important to find a punchy kick that is going to suit the style of the track. That's the most important thing. Next, we're going to add the drum bus, and you can see we're adding some hard drive and we are tweaking up the transients a bit and then dialing in the dry wet control. From that, now we're not dialing in it all the way because we want still some of that dry signal coming through. Next, we are creating an audio track. We are routing the audio from that kick channel. You can see here, this is the kick channel. And then we are adding a delay with a very short delay step, bit of feedback, 100% wet. And now we've got this. After that, we are adding some reverb just to dampen it down a bit. And then we are adding an EQ to take out that high end, so we've just got that rumble. And then we're adding an LFO tool to pump it in time with the kick, to let the kick breathe through. And there you have it. Now let's put on the limiter to slam it really hard. No more than 6 decibels gain reduction. And there you have it, an absolutely banging techno kick and bass in Ableton Live 11.